Virtual Tamil Movie Summary. In 1987, PM Rajiv Gandhi announces the recreation of local self-administration bodies in India and the plans for elections. Maniyakkar Rajmanikkam, Prabhu, is a rich landlord in a village in Tanjore. His pregnant stepsister Kaivarnam, Vijay Chandrasekhar, approaches him with a request that he should not contest the upcoming election for village chief, as her husband wants to contest. Rajmanikkam relents without thoughts, and his sister goes happy. Meanwhile, leaders of 8 villages gather with Rajmanikkam and convince him to contest, as the village chief post will be contested by many people with wrong intentions if Rajmanikkam doesn't contest. Rajmanikkam agrees with the villagers and asks his brother-in-law to withdraw. His brother-in-law vehemently refuses and the election heavily contested. Rajmanikkam wins with a high vote difference and his brother-in-law hangs himself. Kaivaram portrays the suicide as heart attack and promises revenge on Rajmanikkam, effectively severing their relationship. In 2010, Vetrivel Sasikumar is an organic fertilizer vendor who lives in a nearby village with his parents Navneetham, Ilavarasu, Sarada, Renuka, and brother Sarvanan, Anantnag. Sarvanan falls in love with his classmate Subha, Varsha Bollamma, the only daughter of Rajmanikkam. Meanwhile, Vetrivel develops a liking for an agriculture researcher Janani, Mia. Vetrivel urges his father to approach Rajmanikkam with a marriage proposal between Sarvanan and Subha, for which Rajmanikkam opposes, citing caste differences. Vetrivel and Sarvanan plan to kidnap Subha during a temple festival, but the plan fails as they accidentally kidnap another girl Lata, Nikhila Vimal, by mistake. Lata is engaged to Arul, Rajesh Gopalan, son of Kaivarnam, and her wedding was supposed to take place in a week. Vetrivel realizes his mistake and rushes back to the village to drop off Lata, but her father commits suicide before her arrival, thinking that Lata eloped with someone. She understands that it was Kaivarnam who behaved very rude towards Lata's father, which made him to end his life. Vetrivel marries Lata as she is helpless now. Vetrivel's parents accept Lata, understanding her situation. Janani, although disappointed, understands Vetrivel's situation and accepts his decision. Meanwhile, Rajmanikkam plans to get his daughter Subha married to his relative, but Vetrivel interferes and cancels the wedding talks. Finally, Rajmanikkam decides to get Subha married to Arul with the hope of ending his long dispute with Kaivarnam. The wedding is arranged and Rajmanikkam drops off Subha in Kaivarnam's house, fearing Vetrivel's intervention again. But Rajmanikkam finds out that Kaivarnam has plans to ditch Subha after wedding as a means of revenge on Rajmanikkam. Rajmanikkam understands his mistake and meets Vetrivel and agrees for Subha's wedding with Sarvanan. On his way back, Rajmanikkam is kidnapped by Kaivarnam. Meanwhile, Arul informs Subha that he does not want to marry her without her consent. Arul asks Subha to inform Sarvanan about her whereabouts so that Sarvanan can come and rescue her. Subha informs Sarvanan and he arrives at the place but gets shocked to see Arul's henchmen there. It is revealed that it was a plan by Kaivarnam and Arul to kill Sarvanan. Vetrivel also arrives there and he beats everyone and saves Sarvanan and also saves Rajmanikkam. Finally, Subha is married to Sarvanan.